Today we're going to make a top, a blouse. Ano bang style ni? So this one, a corset. Oh, sorry. Okay, so this beautiful blouse with an open front, and has a tie on the front for the closure. So let's start. So I'm gonna make a extra small, a small size only. Pabili kayo kasang paper. I don't want kuan ka ng very. I want to. First, I'm going to trace my black bodies. This is a side, ano ni? Shoulders. Saan man anyway? I'm gonna use kuan ka ng bahak-bahak. Yan, kinabuhi. So I'm gonna use this shoulder dart, shoulder dart black bodies. This one. You can also use the other one, the side dart here. So first we're going to determine the length of the top, the blouse. Pwede ba siya gubot? So the blouse has a length of, asa naman eh? Length niya is 19.9. So let's make it Let's make it 20. Here it is 20. First the eye. Before anything else, mag-drawing sa atas mga line. Sorry, it's iwi-iwi na sa So yeah, we're gonna draw the line first, the dart. This is my first time using a shoulder dart. Because my favorite standard block bodies is one with a side dart. Yeah, side dart. So I'm gonna try this one. Okay, so we already have the length. This one is 20. And for the hips of this one, 35? 35, so 7.75 is, this is 36, so 8 point something, like 8.75 is the 35. And for the, how many bust, for the bust is 35, so 8.8. So we're gonna add the bust and the waist, the 8.8. So here, and the waist, so my waist, waist is 26.4, so 6.6. Plus dart, so I think this would be fine. Okay. Good na siya. Oh, of course, for the hips, sige, hips is 7.1 from the waist to the hip, 7.1. So this is your hips, dira. Yeah. And then you have to connect the waist to the hips. 1. Okay, whoops, naglumas na siya. Okay, so hold on. You'll extend the line. So pa may buhaton. Saan naman eh? So we're gonna measure here from the bust. We're gonna measure kung ano lang. Ano kaya 2.75? 8? Kung ano lamang ni siya, 7 cm. We can use, or 2.5 na lamang. Since this is extra small the eye, so you can make it 2.5 inches. For medium and kuan, mga large, make it kuan 8 centimeter. But this is just a small size, so yes. Tapos, for the front opening, siguro mga 2 centimeter, you know. So, 1 centimeter each side. Be, 2 centimeter lagi. So, 2 centimeter. So, you're gonna make it 1 centimeter here. Equivalent to 2. So, muna na siya imuhang opening. The new line for your opening. Siyempre, we have to shape the neckline. Sige, for the dart, magkuha taog taysa. So, 3 inches. I need a kuan. So, this is for the neckline. 3 inches for the neckline. Also, we have, hey Sue, we have to measure, okay? We're not finished yet. From the waist, measure for 3.5 di. 3.5 down. Then connect the dart. And then for your shoulder, the shoulder is 13.4. So you will have to measure this one to make it 13.4 from this point. So we're gonna deduct 1 centimeter here. My kuan kanisha, akong shoulder is 14. So we're going to reduce it. 1 centimeter. It's okay. 1 centimeter. That one. Okay. And for the neckline, I measure 3 inches here and then shape it here. But this is not yet finished. This is not the final, okay? And you have to measure also the underbust. Yes, this is the underbust na di ay na the underbust. And your shoulder kuan, shoulder width. So small na iyahang bagong kuan. And also for the armhole di ay, we're gonna make it a little bit big, so drop it by 1 centimeter. Or you can make it 2 centimeter. Like that one. This one here. So let's proceed to shoulder width. Shoulder width, I don't know what's the shoulder width. It's very small, so maybe 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Be? If it's too big, 4 centimeter. 4.5 na labang. So I'm gonna try 4.5 centimeter. Let's see. And I will connect this line here to this one. First, okay? Okay. So also, we have to reshape also the dart a little bit. Kanang, straight up. Ana siya. And then, let's see. Ato na siyang i-shape. Okay, shape. Hold on. We're gonna use the shape. One with the shape. Oh, magawang usaka. This one here, I'm going to use this, and then you have to shape here na dili siya pointed, not pointed, okay? Oops, sorry. This also here, shape, but not pointed. That one. Ana siya. So this will be eliminated. This one here, the dart. And also, saan siya gunting? Yeah, this is the sign of a scissor. Okay, so you have to cut the waist. Okay? And shape the center edge. Like this one. See? So, we will work. So we have to cut this first to because we will work on the neckline. And come back to this later. Okay, so saba dyan mo. Mga tayo buhaton dito ba dyan? Saba mo. So, we need to close. We have to close the dart. Saan naman nidapit? Ngog-ngog yung mga animalan eh. Mali. What did I do? Wrong. Went to the doctor and guess what he told me? Guess what he told me? She said, girl, you better try to have fun. But no matter what you do, this is a fool. Cause nothing compares to you, okay? And then, ato sa ning i-shape in ato ang ano man ni 1 centimeter. To kuan. So 1 centimeter lang for the armhole. What? Marah din shape. So later I'm gonna finalize that. Okay, dira. So add some dart on the neckline. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter here. This one here. Hold on. Hold on, sorry ay. Oh, so kasama ko sa kong silhi. So we're gonna add 1 centimeter for the dart. We can make it by 5, something like this. Na. Well, let's see that shape na. So let's make a shape. Shape na ta sa iyahang neckline. Something like this. There, sakto na ba? What do you think? Is this too big? Sakto na, no? I think that's okay. That's enough now. So 1 centimeter. Where's the 1 centimeter? Where's the 1 centimeter? Here. Oh, so noisy. Shh. Saan naman yung bed? Laro ba? So yes. So let's make the shape final. Kita pod. Paat mo lago tan. Ngog-ngog si mo na ko gibuhat. Ngog-ngog ka mo. Injong tingog na record diri ang dagko ah. Sama ah. Mga tala napay iro. Sa ni farm.
Okay.
Ang iingay yung mga potang ina kayo. So here it is. Tapos na ba kayo sa inyong kaalingog-ngog? One, two, three, four, five. So we are going to make five kuan. 5 dots. 5 hole. There. Okay. 5 hole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is. And for the lower. Search the lower part. Cut this one here. And also cut the dart. And also you have to connect the dart. Ano ba siya? Alam na siya. So if you notice here, kaning ang iyang hip side, ang iyang hem is not too flowy, it's not too bukad. So man siya result. Okay, this is the result, not too spread. Or we can add a little bit, no? And that's enough Renoy. Wala siya, o diba? Yeah. Samuka. Widow away. La la. Tadadi, aray ko. Tadadi da di da dan. Here is the result. See? So, okay, I'm gonna do the back. So the back. Where is my so the back of the kaning the blouse has a cut on the center. So we're going to we're going to copy the measurement from the front. What did I do there? 1 centimeter here and 1 centimeter here, and trace the shoulder width. Trace. So this is going to be our shoulder width. And if you want to make the back neckline deeper, you can add 1 centimeter. Ano ba kung ikuan? So we're gonna lower this by 1 centimeter. Okay. Ano na siya? Okay. Something like that. Yeah. Just shape the back neckline. And then, oh, sorry. And also shape the armhole. That's it. And so your 1 inch dart will be divided into 2 ba? Like, for example, saan naman 1 inch mo dahil so pwede 0.5 dire, ali na lang 1/4 dire, 0.25 here, 0.25 here, 0.25 and 0.75 here. So 0.75 divided by 2, so something like this one. What? Okay, so something like this one. Okay, 0.75 divided by 2 for the dart. No, tira di ay. Na siya yung dart back. That will be your back dart. And also on the center, you have to kanang make line. Draw a line on the center connecting to the new center back. Ano siya? And also, and also here, you have to move inward by 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 centimeter. Okay, and here is 25, 0.25 inch. So this will be your back. Asa naman to? Syempre, you have to draw. You need also to cut ka ng, hold on, I have to remove this because I need a copy. I'm so sorry. Ano lang siya. Why? Mera. 5.5. So measure 5. Okay, here. Why? Ganun yang man kahiso. Hiso. Why is hiso making hang? And then, so here's the back. This will be cut twice. And this will be cut on fold. Okay? So as I have said, you just have to copy the measurement of this one with a straight line here. Okay? This is for the front. I'm not gonna cut that. And so I'm gonna do the sleeve. This is a shortcut way of making a puff sleeve. So, okay. So the sleeve length is 21. 21, eh? 21? Yeah, that's too long, diba? Centimeter. No. I don't know, 17, 16. Okay, so let's say sleeve length is 16. I think it's above the elbow, below the elbow, or level. In line with the elbow, unsa ba? So let's say, kung ano lamang, it's too long, 16. Ano na lang siya, 14. So let's say 14. Sleeve length is 14. And then we're going to expand the bicep. So I'm going to add 3.5. So here, from here, so this is the 3.5. I'm going to make the kanang cuff more flare. So I'm just going to slant the sleeve. Ana siya. Okay, so this will be your new sleeve, like this one. Naman ang ihang flare diri naman. And we're going to add 1 centimeter here since we reduce the sleeve shoulder width diba? By 1 centimeter. We reduce this by 1 centimeter. So we're going to add a 1 centimeter here. Something like this one. Then shape it. Ana siya. So, ako siyang gislant a little. Na lang. So this will be your new sleeve. Then 1 centimeter. Visible ba siya? Okay. So this is the original. Plus 1 cm. So this is now the 1 cm. This is now the sleeve. Na. Just follow. This is now the notch. Ano lang. So this would be the back. And then the 1 cm here. And also, we're going to add at least on the top, 1 inch. Okay? 1 inch. And then, shape. Shortcut rin ha. Shortcut. Pwede naman i-cut na to. I-cut na to, be. So, let's cut, be. Let's cut na lang. Sige. Sara man eh. Pwede kuwang. I already cut the sleeve. And then also on the sleeve, you need to reduce by 1 cm again. Since your bodies, diba, yung down nakag 1 cm dito, since you go down here by 1 cm, you will also do that on your sleeve. Before we forgot. So, yeah. Let's shape. Okay. So this is your sleeve and it's so floppy. So wala na siya ang sleeve. Then you're going to then here, elastic here also. Oh, yeah. It's a very big sleeve. Is it too long? And then, I need yung back. So let's connect again. Hold on. Together we will strong. And so and pili na siya. And yeah, it's not kanang align. That's okay. Just make sure your final pattern has the same measurement. Okay. And one siya. So all you have to do is to connect na. Here. Together we will strong. Know that I've been lying here with you through the years. Oops. Okay. And then here also, ano siya? So, forget about it. You can shape that. Ano na si jaw? Nakaligay. So, don't forget the shoulder. So, you're going to use a kanang fitted facing for this top. Fitted facing, okay? Or you can use kuan if you like, but you're going to would add a button. It's not a button, no, it's a eyelet. You're going to add an eyelet for this, so it's better to use a fitted facing with pelon, fusible pelon. So this is it, pansit. This is your top, and then add an eyelet here, 5 eyelet, and the sleeve. Here's the sleeve. An elastic on the sleeve. Ano siya? Ano ako siya ikatin. Ano siya? Sleeve. Elastic here, the cuff. Add at least 10 10 inches or 9 inches elastic here for the extra small. And then here, ano na siya? Finish. Okay? Here it is. Ta-da! Thank you.